Okay, hi guys. So I'm making fish cake using a flaked light tuna. So here it is. I mixed it with parsley. Put a lot of parsley because if you're using a dried parsley, you need a little bit more. And diced boiled potato, onion of course, and the flour, egg, salt and pepper. So you mix them together, and after that it should be a little bit sticky. Use some butter in your pan, and there you go. So we're seeing some fish cake. So I find it like the flake light tuna can is a very convenient to use if you want to make some fish cake. There you go. Hope you like it.